rust spot. But it is an affordable Bronco in today's market, I guess. Every Bronco I've seen has been going for like $8 grand, and it should be worth about $1,000 bucks. So I'm gonna go pick it up with Johnny. It's a little hot, so we're a little moody. Just grab the trailer because the guy says the water pump leaks, which is not a big deal. Yeah, it's a 302. Has no carpet because I don't know why. Has a push button 4-wheel drive, which kind of sucks, but we fixed our other one with the LS swap, but I don't think I want to L swap this. I just want to make it like a nice runner, put some wheels, tires on it, put a 3-inch lift, or put like sole coils and shocks and do like a budget like Bronco deal and make it work. Yeah. And Johnny got some chips. Day that they had the sign covering saying no, for like there's a sign when you walk in that says no face or face coverings only, and then they just duct taped a piece of paper over it right now. Yeah, America. Thanks, gruesome Newsome. Got white wheels. It does have some rust.
Yeah, once I got it washed off, you can see it a little bit more, but it doesn't have the typical freaking.
Oh.
They put like seam sealer on the inside right here. Yeah. We have a few coffers. Yeah, I bought this like 4 years ago or whatever, just to use for kind of a little fun beater off-road truck and everything. And the guy put one new cab on it, but the cab down the street from the one you replaced is new. Yeah, it feels like when you put on the gas, it's not making power. So yeah. Yeah, well, I have 2 of them. I have another one in the back. I'm handling the truck. Is my son's project when he was in high school.
Oh.
He rebuilt the motor, put all new brakes on it. We did tranny, rebuilt all the running gears, all good. The body's not that great. Yeah. But you know, I just got too many projects. I need a Rhino.
Man, I just feel like there's gonna be a punch thrown at me if I offer. Would you punch me?
No, you can't insult me. I go out and make offers all the time. So, you know, if it doesn't work for me, it doesn't work for me. I don't.
So I'm at
you ain't wasting my time. So
I'm at like 700.
Yeah, I couldn't do it for that.
That's what I thought.
It's $1,100 off.
I know. That's why I was like, I don't want to offer because I was like, I know he's not going to take it.
I would do $1,000.
Oh.
Because that's what I got into it.
Do you want it for 1,000, Johnny?
Coin flip?
I guess. Do you have a coin?
No. Oh, I do. So stupid.
But do you really want it?
New penny, old penny.
Hold on.
Like I said, you guys don't feel like you have to come get it because you came out here. Like I said, I got other people that are interested in it. But you know how Facebook Marketplace is?
Yeah, it's just...
There's a lot of people that say they're interested and nobody shows up.
Yeah.
So that's why I gave you guys. You seem like you're stand-up guys. I gave you my phone number, and one other guy was coming from Taft. And there's a guy here locally that emailed me this morning and said, oh, if you guys don't take it, I want to come look at it. But that doesn't mean they're going to take it either. So.
Yeah.
Heads keep it.
It's up to you if you want it.
Either way, I'm still, well, heads we keep it.
Hold on. would you take 800?
No. I gotta get at least 1,000 out of it. I think that's a pretty damn good price for what they're asking for Broncos nowadays. But I want it gone. So.
Was it heads to keep it? Wait, was it heads we keep it?
Yeah, I felt it. I was like, I can feel it's already heads.
I'll get you money.
Start it up. It runs.
I didn't want it. It's too rusty. We'll do some funny videos though. Saved 800 bucks though, so technically I could put 800 bucks into it because that's what I saved. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are freshies. Gold.
Cross members out.
Yes, sir.
Are we filming it all?
Some of it.
Alright.
We could blur your face if you don't want to be in it.
That's okay. I'm kind of interested to see what you guys do with it.
Me too. Just go for it, dude.
It's like, how does it spin?
Or how does it smoke that fast?
Yeah.
You want to do a burnout? Why? Just a little one.
I don't want to hurt my trailer.
It's on metal.
I'm not sure. It's like when you wake up in the morning and you have to pee.
Stop.
After you had a girl over.
So after a long day of work at picking up our Bronco and selling the Bronco, it was hot. So we're at the Lopez Lake. Got like an hour left of sunlight. Got the race boat.